Welcome friends to One Tip a Day by Hariharan. Today we are going to see WhatsApp Business sending messages. Yesterday we have seen how to set the profile. Today we are going to see how to set automatic messaging. Open WhatsApp Business. You will see three dots on the right top. Go, open it, and from there select Business Tools, and in the Business Tools you will see there are options away message and greeting message in the messaging tools section. So we are going to see about away message. Touch away message. Once you touch away message, the screen will open, and on the right hand top you have got a toggle switch. In my phone the away message is on. I can put it off and put it on. If I put it on, it will send a away message based on my settings. If I put it off, it will not send the away message. Now I put it on, and you can see the message is already there. Thank you for your message. We are unable right now, but we will respond as soon as possible. Hariharan. If you want, I can edit it also. Once I edit it and say OK, the edited message will appear there. And there is a schedule. When you come to the schedule, you can always send messages or custom schedule or outside business hours. Outside business hours means in the profile section you have sent your business hours, and outside the business hour you have set in the profile, it will send the away message. Always send means whenever somebody sends you a message in WhatsApp Business, it will send. And now I will show you how to custom schedule. If I go and touch custom schedule, the window will open. And it is asking for the start time, end time, and recipients. Start time is the time when I will not be able to reply. For example, today maybe I am busy with a meeting or traveling something. I can set the start time. November 2nd I can go and select, say next, and the start time is 10 o'clock. I can make it 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock or 11:30 I am busy. Done. Till what time? Maybe tomorrow morning 5 o'clock only I will be able to start sending replies. So I can select the end time. I am selecting 3rd November. Say next, I am going to select 5 AM and say done, and the next time is recipients. I have set the time now, recipients. I can send it to everybody who is sending me a message, or only to the people who are not there in the address book, or only to the people there in the address book, or send only to the selected people. You can select whichever is option is suitable for you. Go back, and on the top you will see a save button. Don't forget, sorry for the interruption, don't forget to touch the save button. Once the changes are saved, it will start sending away message as per you have scheduled. Next is the greeting message. Greeting message is a message when somebody sends you a message for the first time in your WhatsApp Business. It will send a message back. If you touch the greeting message, you can send the greeting message there, and there is a toggle switch on the top. If you touch the toggle switch, you can put it off and you can put it on. Now we have put it on, and you can see it will send the greeting message. It's already a message is typed and kept ready there. Thank you for contacting Hariharan. Please let us know how we can help you. So if you want, you can personalize it also, and personalize it and say OK. Then your message is saved. And the recipients, you can choose the recipients. As I told you earlier, everyone or people not in the address book. So everyone except the people you have selected, or only send to the selected people. Whichever way you can select and go back. And once you have done this, don't forget to save what you have done. So now you have selected to send a greeting message. So whenever somebody sends you message for the first time in your WhatsApp business, it will send a greeting message. So they will feel happy that they have been welcomed and you have responded to them immediately. So this is how you send a FA message and greeting message. And in the next videos, we will see about quick replies, labels, short link, and in due course, we will see about catalog also. This is Hariharan signing off on behalf of Mind Tuners. Have a great day. Bye.